The 2026 VW Transporter Camperking combines practicality with adventure for your ultimate road trip experience. With electric folding mirrors for easy parking in tight spots and the 120W Shadow Flux solar panel providing sustainable energy on the go, you're ready for any journey ahead. Step inside to find a passenger swivel seat for versatile lounging and dimmable LED interior lighting for customizable ambience. With low-rate finance available, you can spread the cost of your motorhome over a flexible term of up to 180 months. Call or visit Continental Leisure Vehicles today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 VW Transporter Camperking. Buy your vehicle with confidence from a family-run business with over 40 years of customer satisfaction. See our Google reviews for more peace of mind.